Hey kids, welcome to the first grade math quiz. Have fun and enjoy.
Hooray!
Complete the equation. You have 30 seconds. Let's go. Good job. Compare your results. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe. See you next time, and don't forget to watch our other videos.